Hi friends! Today we are going to learn how to draw different 2D ships and how to write names of the ships. A diamond, rectangle, circle, triangle, star, oval, square, diamond, diamond, rectangle, rectangle, circle, triangle, star, oval, square. Let's do multicolor in all shades. Green, purple, pink, orange, yellow, red, blue, See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe.